हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम स्टैंडर्ड नाइन्थ चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंग्लिश में द फन दे हैड की टेक्स्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट द टेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज आंसर्स देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस इन फ्यू वर्ड्स और अ कपल ऑफ सेंटेंसेस ईच। आंसर देखिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ ओल्ड वर मार्जी एंड टॉमी। तो आंसर मार्जी इज 11 एंड टॉमी इज 13 years old. Second, what did Margie write in her diary? So Margie wrote in her diary, today 17 May 1957, Tommy found a real book. Third, had Margie ever seen a book before? So no, Margie had never seen a book before. Fourth, what things about the book did she find strange? The book had yellow and wrinkled page. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen. She found these things strange. Fifth, what do you think a telebook is? A telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. Sixth, देखिए, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? तो Margie's school was near her own bedroom. She did not have any classmate. Seventh, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? So Margie learned geography and mathematics and Tommy learned history and mathematics. Question number 2, answer the following with reference to the story. Question number 1, I would throw it away. फर्स्ट है हु सेज दिस वर्ड्स। आंसर देखिए, मार्जी सेज दिस वर्ड्स। व्हाट डज इट रिफर टू? इट रिफर्स टू दैट रियल बुक दैट टॉमी फाउंड। थर्ड, व्हाट इज इट बीइंग कंपेयर्ड विद बाय द स्पीकर? तो द स्पीकर कंपेयर्स इट विद द टेलीबुक। सेकेंड, श्योर दे हैड अ टीचर बट इट वॉज नॉट अ रेगुलर टीचर, इट वॉज अ मैन। फर्स्ट, whom does they refer to? They refer to the people of the old times. Second, what does regular mean here? Here regular refers to the mechanical teacher than they had. Third, what it contrasted with? So it is contrasted with a normal teacher of earlier times who was a living human being. Question number 3, answer each of the following. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. Question number 1, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? The Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They did not have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. 2 देखिए, why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? तो आंसर, Margie's mother sent for the country inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. Third, what did he do? So he slowed down the mechanical teacher's speed up to an average 10-year level. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to IQ level of Margie. 4, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the country inspector do to help? Margie had been doing badly in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. The country inspector adjusted its speed up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled appropriately. The country inspector assured that the overall pattern of Margie's progress were quite satisfactory. Fifth, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? So Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Sixth, देखिए, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer, yes, Margie had regular school days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Question number 7, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? So Tommy says that the old schools were different. They had special building and all the kids went there to study. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They enjoyed time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. 8, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? He says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers but living human beings. Question number 4 देखिए, answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. देखिए, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer: Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. They need not to go to school for getting a formal education. The mechanical teacher is placed in one of the rooms of the house, and they can get the knowledge of various subjects of individually from the mechanical teacher. They don't have such classrooms where students sit together. They study from the telebooks, so they don't require books and exercise books. The examination system is very different. They do homework in a different way. Margie has to write them out in a punch code. He learned it when she was 6 years old. So the system of their education is technologically advanced and not based on printed books. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer: Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her home tasks or assignments. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students used to sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. Children needed company to enhance their skills. If they are isolated, they get depressed and dejected. Third and last question of the exercise is: do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Answer देखिए, there is no doubt that today's school are more funny than the future school discussed in the story. This school now has nothing but a mechanical teacher with no emotions and sentiments. It does not have the ability to understand the psychology of the child. Moreover, it guides a pupil according to its adjusted mood. But today's school work for the overall development of a child. They learn the same thing. The teachers are real human beings. They learn how to adapt themselves to the new surrounding and cope with the strangers. The students sit and learn together. These activities don't give vent to the feelings of depression, alienation and segregation. तो फ्रेंड, आज का हमारा वीडियो यहाँ ख़त्म होता है। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए।